Come on, LJ. Jeez.
My man.
You just blurted his government.
Oh. He's like, what's up, LJ?
She just gave you 15, bro. She just gave you 15.
Oh my god, bro. Can't we doing stuff like that?
How can we help you?
Chill out. Can we just get Amsterdam?
Yeah, which one? You want like a pint?
You want LJ? How much you gonna have to spend?
A fifth is $12.99, $13.84 with tax, or a pint is
You trying
$7.99.
to see this 20? This is my 20. This is not his.
Okay. Fifth is over here, you guys, on the right hand side. If that's what you want.
Oh wait. No. I want Bacardi. Oh my god.
What's up?
You doing, boss man?
Good.
Good.
All right, 87.30.
All the money. Thank you.
You're welcome. How's the day going?
Fantastic.
Awesome.
Some coffee this morning at church.
Did you?
Yeah.
It didn't go through.
The
It
broista.
didn't go through. Let me see your card. It might be locked.
Okay. Well, here, if that's the case, then let me give you my regular card.
Okay. Yeah, I need to watch church. Right.
Yes, it is.
I just got to work. I need to actually do that.
Actually, that happened today when we went to Chick-fil-A.
Oh, really?